Want some carrot? Here? I know. Oh, it's so crazy. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, that's not so bad. That's not so bad. Yeah, eat some. You gotta keep chewing.
It's still in your mouth, man. You want more? Yeah.
Oh,
okay. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Oh yeah, you're gonna need a
Mom maybe should have got you a bib.
scrub down after this.
Maybe should have considered a bib, Mom.
A tarp.
A tarp would have probably been a good idea.
Good amount.
What do you think, man?